Within the context of growing space consumption and high levels of car dependency in our region, we focus on the train station environment in Brecht, a Flemish municipality north of Antwerp, Belgium. Brecht is a small village with about 6,000 inhabitants and is characterized by a rural spatial configuration. Its street scene is marked by cars, detached houses with large private gardens and a certain quietness in its historic center, as many amenities moved to the outskirts. Remarkably, in 2011, a train station opened in Brecht. This station quickly became known as a commuter's gateway, serving the villages in its direct vicinity. As most commuters arrive here by car, its success is reflected by the ever-expanding car park in front of the station. Though successful, the station is not clearly connected to the village itself due to the barriers formed by, on the one hand, the industrial and residential zones, and on the other hand, the highway. To face these challenges, we make use of this station's exceptional accessibility. This station serves directly major cities as Brussels, Antwerp, Rotterdam and Amsterdam. By applying the core principles of transit-oriented development, we valorize its accessibility and transform the station into a new urban core for Brecht. We do this firstly by pushing back the presence of cars through the introduction of a new mobility spine, solely reserved for slow modes of transportation. This new spine also serves as the glue between the village center and station environment. Secondly, we charge the station environment with new types of housing, office spaces, recreational and social amenities as to make a vibrant, dense, yet green area. Furthermore, we upgrade the urban fabric that lies in between by densifying the residential area and by loading it with amenities that the community lacks today, as for instance, a school, medical care and a plaza for selling local produce. Thirdly, we aim at conserving Brecht's local identity by introducing greenery to connect the village with its rural hinterland. Meanwhile, with this project, we managed to reclaim up to 250,000 square meters of expansion zones currently surrounding the historic center of the village and give them back to the community as open space. To guide the implementation of this development, the project is supported by a strategy using the station environment as a financial lever. In the first phase, the municipality of Brecht will acquire land in the station environment as it is still agricultural. When acquired, Brecht will rezone the area, causing land values to rise. As Brecht sells the land to developers, profit will be generated which will be used to buy out the owners of the expansion zones. In the second phase, the remainder of the profit will be used to reprofile the current industrial zone, investing in new amenities for the local community and upgrading existing ones. The third phase embodies the transformation of the residential zone through a soft densification policy. In this strategy, a denser residential area is realized through the economic benefit homeowners can obtain when splitting their plots. Current real estate in the area is considerably old, making it so that the value of properties mainly resides in their land value. Given that smaller plots relatively sell for more money than bigger plots, homeowners will profit more from splitting their plots before selling. Thus, smaller plots will be formed, making it possible to implement new types of housing at higher densities. With this project for Brecht, we believe that we can spark the transition towards a more efficient use of space while moving towards more sustainable modes of transportation.